and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add image to your profile on Kahoot mobile. Now, with previous video we talked about how to download Kahoot app on mobile. Then we also talked about how to create a teacher account on Kahoot. That was the two previous videos we did. So in this particular video we're going to look at how to add image to your profile on the Kahoot mobile. So to do this is quite simple. From the home page here, you tap on your icon for your name, profile icon at the top left corner. Then you tap on the profile picture. You can see there's no profile picture there. So what you do is like tap on the pencil icon at the top, and then you can see add complete your profile by tapping to add image. So tap on add image. Then your profile picture will be public and can be seen by anyone on or off Kahoot. So you can decide to add image using camera, photos that you've already taken, or Bitmoji, which is powered by Snapchat. So you decide the one you want. This one is from a photo I already have. Do the image if you want, scale, and then tap on the plus on the mark, and that's it. Tap on save. It is as simple as that. That is how to add image, that is profile picture, to your, you can see here, just change to your profile on the Kahoot mobile app. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. And don't forget to check out our next video on how to add your name to your profile. Thanks for watching.